Hello everybody, welcome back to the third installment of how to make a FNAF game in Scratch. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to fully make the office and the camera button, so let's get straight into it. So I made all 5 of my sprites already, the office, the left door, the right door, and the buttons. So I want you guys to actually do the art yourself, because I don't want to show you me doing your art for you practically. I just want you to try some things on your own. Maybe a different environment while at it. Now we're gonna make a new variable, 2 new variables in fact. We're gonna name one left door state and right door state. So make sure to make 2 costumes for the left door, the right door, and the buttons. So for the video's purpose, I just only made 2 costumes for the door. One open, one closed. Same with the right door. And the left door buttons, I made a open and closed state. So, here's the coding. So, for the left door, when the sprite clicked, wait 0.50 seconds. We're going to get an if-else. If it equals left door state equals open, then here's what we're going to do. We're going to set left door state to closed, and we're going to broadcast left door close and switch costume to 2. Now we're going to do the same coding for this one, except this one's going to be open, left door open, and switch costume to 1. Great. Now I'm just going to drag this piece of code into the right door button. Now it's going to be practically the same except for the right door, obviously. So right door state, right door close, and switch costume to 2. Now we're going to set this to open, right door open, and switch costume to 1. Now for the left door, it's very simple. When I receive left door, switch costume to 2, which is the closed state. Left door closed specifically when I receive that. When I receive left door open, switch costume to 1, which is the open state. I also made sounds, so if you want, you could use them. Nice. Now we do the same thing for the right door, except the right door broadcasts. Great. Amazing. It's awesome. Now we're gonna do the camera button. So we're gonna just call this monitor button. We're gonna make it go to 0, 0. Oh, right. I forgot one thing. The office code. So here's a closer examination. When I receive office, go to whatever layer. So for the doors and the buttons and all that stuff, go to the front layer. But for the office, go to the back layer. It's going to show. And you could use forever or empty repeat until. Go to X, mouse X divided by -35. Y, mouse Y divided by -35. The numbers depend on how big your office is. So don't fully depend on me for that. You're going to have to depend on yourself. Let's get into working the monitor button now. Alright, there we go. Now alright, there we go. It's not centered, but it's fine. So we're gonna call this up. And we're gonna set call this one, I mean, down. And we're just gonna flip vertical. Good. So now we're gonna do the green flag clicked code. And we're gonna do a when this sprite is clicked. And it's gonna be the same, practically the same thing as the door buttons. Believe me or not. So this one's also gonna have a delay, like so. Now we're gonna make a new variable for all sprites and call it monitor. Alright, now when the game starts, we're gonna switch costume to up and set monitor to down. So we're just gonna replace all these up, monitor, down, and for the broadcast, we're gonna call this monitor up. Then it's gonna switch to costume 2 after. Okay, right door state to monitor instead. We're gonna call it up. And new message, we're gonna call it monitor down. Alright, now we're gonna make a new sprite and we're gonna call it monitor. It's gonna go to 0, 0 also. And we're just gonna do the script first before we get into anything. Okay, now unfortunately it's already my time to end the video here. So if you guys enjoyed it, I know it was a short episode, but if you guys enjoyed it, please consider subscribing and liking for more episodes, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.